What is up, guys? This is Max Square, and in this video we're taking a look at some awesome particle logo templates. So let's check it out. So I'm going to be showing you about 8 templates that I've chosen from Envato's marketplace. I spent a couple hours today going through about 60 pages of templates trying to get the best ones. There's no really bad templates on Envato's websites. I think they're just meant for different styles, and I was going for a very specific style, which you'll hopefully pick up on from the templates I'm about to show you. But I was going for that 3D particle look, kind of like Trapcode and Plexus, which you'll see in a lot of After Effects templates. So I kind of sifted through my favorites, and for most of these, they're going to be under $10 or $15. One of them I believe is like 22 bucks, but that is a pack of 7, so really it's like $3 each. So it's worth it in that case. But there's 8 templates. I'll put all the links down below. But just before we get started, if you're wondering why some of these are low quality, that's just because I downloaded the preview, so this isn't the actual template, and I think the previews come in something, I think it's a little lower than 720p, and I kind of upscaled it. So if some of these seem low quality, don't worry about it. It is full HD, and some of these are even 4K. And also keep in mind that these are just templates, and you can open these up in After Effects, change out the colors, and change the music. Some of these do come with their own sound packs and sound effects, but I actually just muted all of that so you could hear it all behind one track, because sometimes the music the author chose for their project doesn't always fit, and most cases I end up using my own anyway, so that's why I just use one track in the background. And if you're wondering what track that is, it is from audiojungle.net. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's check out these templates.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed looking at all these templates. I'm going to try and do more of these type of videos where I'll feature different sound packs, different background music, different templates, stock footage, all those kind of things. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.